Hi, Steely. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. So I have this really cool pocket booklet to show you. I got it from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah. I watch her religiously, and I just love her. I love everything she does. Anyway, she got this from Gayle Augustinelli. So I will link her video. And I think she links Gayle's video. So, but I want to show you. This is just so cute. Alright. It is a little booklet. It opens up, and here's a pocket. And here's a pocket. Here's a pocket. Here's one, and here's one. I mean, can you stand it? Out of one 12 by 12. Ta-da! I mean, all I've done so far is I put this on it, which, keep planting your seeds, they will grow sooner than you think. I have several. I mean, it's Amity Bloom, and I can't remember the name of the download, but it's, sentiments about blooming, or something. It has a really cute name. I will link it if I can find it. If not, go to Amity Bloom and look around. And it's download just, I want to say it's a couple pages at least of just lines after lines after lines of really awesome little quotes that have to do with blooming, growing, flowers, or something like that. They're pretty cool. Anyway, that was that. Let me show you. Oh, and then I put some little bit of lace just so far on the bottoms, and I haven't done anything else yet, but I mean, you can do anything or nothing. It's better with double-sided paper if you have it. If not, you can like coffee dye or spray the back with, you can mix food color drops with water and make a spray. You can use the Tattered Angels. You can use coffee, like put coffee water in a spray bottle, and you just spray it so you get like, coffee colored. You can paint the back. You can splatter paint on the back. Patch your inks on, on your glass or a surface, non-porous. Patch your inks, spray some water in, and you can either get like a little paintbrush and splatter or paint on, or you can actually just, take it over and smush it around and get the colors. You don't have to have double-sided paper. I just happen to, because this paper pack I'm using is double-sided. Okay, so I put this masking tape here hoping it would help show you where I am, because it is very confusing when you do all the folding and twisting around and cutting. And I did this one without pause. I mean, it just zip, 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 and it was done. I was like, oh, okay, I can do this. I did another one, and I ended up crying. Completely having to start over. It was not my fondest moment. So hopefully this piece of masking tape here will show us kind of where we are. All right, what you do is you fold your paper in half, crease it really well. I love my bone folder, but of course you don't have to have one of those. Anything will work. Fingernail will work. Of course, that to me is like nails on a chalkboard. I can't stand that, but it does work. So you fold it, then you unfold it, fold it this way, so you've got, like your squares. Okay. Now, depending on which side you want out, I want this out. but I would have been happy with either because, like I said, I got it so messed up and so mixed up. If this had been the outside when I was done with the other one, I would have been fine with that. So hopefully you're smarter than I am. So ideally, the side you want as your cover is not facing you now. Your inside is up. You fold up a pocket. It can be as huge as you want. This one is a 2-inch fold up. So now I guess this is a 4-inch by probably 6-inch. Let me guess. Yep. Yeah. So this is actually 4 by 6 when we're done because we folded these up to be 2 inches. This one is 1.5 ish, 1 3/4. Because you know, if it's too small, then it's too small. But if it's too big, then your thing is really small. Okay, so turn it over then. Oh, come on. Here we go. See, that's why we have masking tape, so I know where I am. Anyway, fold it over so that I could get the same, size. You don't have to do that. If you measure, then you just fold this one up the same distance. But if you put them together, you can, get it the same size. Anyway, that was all free. So this is now your inside because these are the pockets. Okay. All right. Okay. Now. No. Hold on. God. I am not an idiot, but I play one on TV. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Somebody help me. Somebody get me out of my... Oh my gosh. What has happened? I just did it. Okay. I'm going to pause you because I do not want you to hear me crying. Oh, wait. I did it. I did it. Okay, I don't know how, but I did. Because this thing is... Okay. This is supposed to be, you fold it over once you get all your stuff together. Okay, so you fold it like that. You fold, close your front, and you close your back. I am so sorry. Oh my God. I should edit this part out, but I'm doing it for you. Leaving it in so you can not feel bad if you get confused. And I'll warn you, Tina did the same thing. I'm willing to bet that Gayle did not on hers. I just would be willing to bet that. Anyway, so here's your, and then you've got your, here's your front page, here's your back page, and then you're going to glue this together. Did you see that? I think I might have been out of frame. Here's your back page, here's your front page with our masking tape so we won't get confused. And then we got to glue this. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this. No, first I'm not. I'm going to do this first. She suggested, and she's right, if you go in to this little, it's where your pockets fold up, to the edge here at the fold. I mean, just the tiniest little angled sliver. You hear the washing machine? It's off balance. I hear it. Oh, goodness. Of course it is. Okay. So, just a little tiny angled skinny piece. Okay, because when you... how much you bet we can't figure this out again? when you want a little gap here, because sometimes if it's straight across, it's kind of puffy. Not puffy, but it pokes out a little bit, and it can be a problem when you're trying to put things in and make them stay, because it's too loose. Alright, so we are going to glue the 3 sides. Oops. Give me a little bit of glue, a little extra glue there. So that this part is open. Alright. Then you glue your little edges on your pocket. Of course, I can't see on this paper. Here we go. I really do hate it when I'm stupid. If you need to know that, I don't know if you do know that, but I do hate it. Okay. And then this should be closed up pretty well. Yeah, that's good. Just kind of do these pockets. And then, like I said, you can decorate, or you could sew this up instead of glue it, you know, whatever you want. You could decorate these, you can leave it plain, because it's going to be fabulous. And you know, you got fabrics and flowers and other papers and lace and scraps and just die cuts, anything. Now, if you have a directional paper, like for example this, or something that you want to go in a certain direction, I would suggest not using that paper, because it can't be done. But that was just me, because I'm in the very beginner of braininess class. So, okay, all right, we are done. So, isn't that pretty? The whole front is blank, minus this. Now I got to figure out if I can get this off without tearing anything. And there's your first page, and your last page, and your middle pocket. With extra glue places it doesn't belong. Alright. Okay, so there's that. Now, I have one other, and I gotta find it. I will, like I said, I'll link Tina's video for this. And in hers is Gayle's link. And I will find the other one and come back and show. It's another like really cool pocket fold I've not seen. Which doesn't mean that you haven't, but it's really neat. So let me find it, and I will get right back.